Alright guys, let's go ahead to our homework video. Which one does not belong? We are going to select the diagram that does not have the same ratio of squares to circles. So let's look at diagram A, and we are going to connect. And if you notice, we have 3 squares and 6 circles in diagram A. So we can connect 1 square to 2 circles, 1 square to 2 circles, and then 1 square to 2 circles. So here we're going to have 1 square equals 2 circles. Okay, go on to diagram B below that. Okay. We will once again connect 1 square to 2 circles, and then 1 square to 2 circles. That leaves us with 2 more circles, so we'll connect that last square to 2 more circles. So again, we have 1 square goes with 2 circles. Okay, diagram C. Notice that we only have 2 squares, but 3 circles. Well, I'm going to start out by connecting 1 square to 1 circle. And then I will connect 1 square to that last circle. If you see what happens, we have 1 circle left over. So we're going to cut that in half, and half goes with each of the squares. So for your diagram below, you're going to put 1 square equals 1.5 circles. Okay, very good. Now let's go on to D, diagram D. This one's probably your most simple one. We have 1 square and 2 circles. So it is done for us. We have 1 square to 2 circles. Okay, on to diagram E. This one's a little different because we have circles on both sides. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cancel out those 2 circles on the left with 2 circles on the right. So go ahead and just put an X through 2 circles on the left, and then cancel out 2 of the circles on the right. Okay, now we're going to circle and connect, or just connect a square with 2 circles, a square with 2 circles, and again a square with 2 circles. So now our answer on that one's going to be 1 square is equivalent to 2 circles. Okay, now if you'll notice what we just did, we were balancing the sides. This is a scale and we balanced. We're saying that 1 square is equivalent to 2 circles. So what we did is we went through, and if you look at diagram A, for instance, 3 squares would be the same as 6 circles. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and begin with balanced scale problems. This is similar to what we just did on the previous page. Number 1, the first thing that I notice is I have circles on both sides. So I'm going to start out with canceling those 2 circles with 2 circles on the other side. Then I'm going to connect. I have 1 square would go to 2 circles, and then 1 square to 2 circles again, and I'm left with 1 square and 2 circles. So to set it equal, I have 1 square is equivalent to 2 circles. Okay, let's go down to problem number 2. Okay, what is the first thing that we would do on here? Notice that we have 1 circle on the left, and we're going to cancel that out with 1 that is on the right. Now it's fairly easy. We have 1 square on the left, 4 circles on the right, so we're simply going to connect those. So I would have 1 square equals 4 circles. Okay, number 3. This is the last one. Okay, we have 2 squares and 6 circles, so I'm going to connect 1 square with 3 of the circles, and then I will connect another square with 3 circles again. Therefore, I have 1 square equals 3 circles. Okay, and if you will notice, once again, we have just balanced this scale out. All right, we're going to look at more problems when you get to class. If you have any questions, text me or come see me in the morning. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.